Hello, my name is Nathan Chinander with Sociology in the Digital World, instructor Alicia Langdon, and this is Deliverable 1 Digital Growth Timeline. I've noticed that the business practices and our use of technology are not up to date in our department store. It is my job as the operations manager to manage the operations of our store for our employees, our customers, and to facilitate a great return for our investors. I am proposing an investment in technology to modernize our store for better inventory tracking, an easier ordering process, an increase in security, and the opportunity to make more money through analyzing data with technology. We currently have an outdated inventory system and have found hidden inventory throughout the store multiple times. We need to be able to know the correct inventory levels for proper ordering to maintain a location on the floor and in the back rooms. With a new system that keeps track of inventory, we can get several different benefits. The first is customer service. We can perform a search on a phone or tablet that shows how many of each item we have and where it's located. And if we have multiple locations, such as in the front and the back of the store or in the back room as well. With the new system, we can carry a tablet around the store and all employees can look up an item for the customer and tell them an aisle and how many we have in stock, or pick up an item in the wrong area and scan it to find the correct location. Tablets can utilize a Wi-Fi connection to make Wi-Fi calls to and from other departments, so if they're looking for the movie in the back, they can use a page, they can use it as a walkie-talkie or a phone call to bring that DVD up to the customer. Also, our employees will be able to use the camera on the tablet to document bathrooms cleaned and areas zoned. They can also tag a picture with a timestamp, and then they can put it into the employee pictures folder. This is a Dropbox, keeps track of many different options, many different things. Employee forms can say all the employee documents, policies, and procedures. Employee newsletter can be from management to employees. The employee lounge can be if someone needs a ride to work or if they're having a party, want to do a little get-together. And then store ordering could allow employees to actually order stuff for the store, and we'll talk about that next. Employees will be also able to punch in, punch out, and take break with the tablet, and that'll allow us to better track their time so that they're paid properly. The next benefit that we get from this system is all about big data and the capacity to improve the business. We can utilize big data, and that's the information pulled from our new systems, to be able to maximize the best selling items and optimal ordering levels. If an item has a great markup and sells okay, but is hidden in the back of the store, maybe we can increase the sales and the returns, profits for the company by putting it on an end cap and increasing those revenues and profits. Also, if we know an item, we know that we sell 100 units of an item X in a month, we know that we have 100 on hand, we should know that we have inventory for about a month. If we have a lead time or delivery time of a week, we know we need to order it in 3 weeks. We'll also keep track of ordering specials, so if an item is on sale from our distributors, we'll be able to order extra inventory so that we're able to best take advantage of that pricing. Also, we'd be able to allow some employees to work from home, and they can order inventory while they're at home. So here I have a pharmaceutical industry, but it has a quantity on hand, desired quantity, and a reorder quantity, has a description, the actual cost, and then we're able to see quantity pricing, so that would be historical pricing from previous orders as well. I do have another option. Inventory list here says the item name, description, product price, quantity in stock, inventory value and then reorder value, and we'd add other items as well to best optimize our store, our tracking. This would all be available due to big data, and it would allow all of these benefits. We'll also be able to receive alerts on items that are increasing and decreasing in sales. We'll also be able to see if we have any items in store that have not sold in the past week, and we can determine if the inventory is properly displayed, or if we ran out of it and our inventory is off, or if it's in the back room hiding somewhere. We'll also be able to track annual trends of products as they increase and decrease in sales due to seasonality. Let's just say, for example, last week, week 16 last year, we had a huge increase in lemonade sales. We can stock up on it so we don't run out of it. We can place it in a prominent location to take advantage of the increase in sales. I see a lot of advantages and not really many disadvantages, except that it's going to require more hours to utilize and, of course, the price. I think the increase in efficiencies in sales and inventory management would make up for the increase in hours. A little bit of technical difficulties here. No, guys, I'm just joking. Our management isn't able to work when they're at home, right? Well, if we have cameras where management is able to log in and take a look while they're at home or on the beach, I think that it would improve work ethic. And then if there's any problems with the store, they'll be able to at least look from home or online when they're away from the workplace. Overall, I think this would all result in happier customers, which is going to give us happier employees and a better return for our investors, which is going to give us happy investors too, right? I think all of the technologies I mentioned will be very advantageous to our department store, and we'll be able to turn inventory better, order better, and allow some employees to work from home for certain aspects of their work.